My brother and Alia have a beautiful baby daughter, right? When Alia's working, Ranveer pitches in.
Sometimes we see women pulling other women down, which I feel is very unfortunate. Be it age, be it looks, be it whatever. Botox auntie. Botox auntie, yeah. I mean, you know, you can't keep everyone happy.
A millennial man asking this question, I see Neelam go like, oh my god, what is that question even?
There are men who are selling the lingerie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
In most of the shops. And that's why sometimes I think women get a little more awkward.
I remember a video going viral where Alana is being questioned by her dad saying, "आप यही पहन के जा रही हैं बाहर?"
Your cup says, what's your cup size?
That's my partner, Clovia.
When my son brings home his girlfriend, it's how I treat her girlfriend. He's going to watch that.
I put on 30 kgs. So everybody said, oh, she's become so fat.
When you go to someone's house, the only thing they say, you gained weight.
All of us will have marriage issues. All of us will have children issues.
आपके separation का भी बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बनाया गया है.
I think menopause is something most of us are going through right now. With Chunky, I'll give my own example. Like, he doesn't understand sometimes when I don't feel like doing anything.
We need more shows like yours.
तो देखिए पहली बार द मेल फेमिनिस्ट सपोर्टेड बाय क्लोविया पे हमारे पास आ गई हैं द फैबुलस women. तो क्या हाल है आप लोगों का?
I'm so excited to be on your show. We need more shows like this, The Male Feminist.
Thank you.
I'm so happy to be invited to a show like this. Thank
हम
you.
कोशिश करते हैं कि हम किसी तरीके से महिलाओं के बारे में और जान सकें because I don't think men have any idea about the kind of things your bodies go through.
Men are truly from Mars.
Yeah.
They don't understand.
Men are truly
have you all
clueless.
found green flags around you? We need to name and fame the men who are the good men. तो कुछ
Yes.
अच्छे
I
green
agree.
flag मर्दों के
I
नाम लो
agree.
अपनी जिंदगी
I
के
think
and क्यों बता दो मेरे को.
Green flag, मेरे husband.
हाँ क्या?
He's very supportive. His name is Bharat. Extremely supportive, very loving, a very kind human. मैं इतनी बकबक करती हूँ, मेरी बकबक भी सुन लेते हैं वो. बहुत patient है, and I'm just the opposite. I'm the most impatient person ever. He's dealt with me for the past 18 years, and it's been a joy
But
ride.
we both deal with each other in a partnership. I always believe so.
Yes.
मैं तुझे बोलने नहीं
100%.
देती हूँ.
100%.
आधा टाइम
Yeah.
तो he's like half the time तो you don't let me talk. I do have a choice.
So with feminism comes the part where you should let him speak also.
But I do. Arey, it's not that I
can't
don't.
be like-
But Shalini, it's not that I don't let him speak. It's that I have so much to talk. So I keep
is fair.
talking. I have verbal diarrhea.
So good listener is one of the green flags that I
Very
would take
good
away from
listener.
that.
He's very supportive.
Yeah.
But he's very empathetic. You know.
That's the quality
Empathy.
everybody should build.
Yeah. My brother and Alia
Raha.
have a beautiful baby daughter, right? And so when Alia's working, Ranveer pitches in.
Really?
Yeah, so which is great, you know, and he has obviously that's his daughter, so he does it with a lot of love and a lot of like you know, his eyes shine, you know, when he sees his child, and but he's a great father, and she's an amazing mom, but when she's working, he's at home looking after her.
Perfect.
Yeah, so
That's
they
the way
always
it should
juggle.
be.
That's
That
the
was
way.
not the
Balance,
case
yeah.
when we were growing up. I don't think my dad ever changed a diaper or fed us a bottle or.
My dad did too. That's why I said my dad was
I
complete
think
green
the
flag.
men
Yeah.
of today in general
Sleep every night.
are like contributing to another level. Like it's on par with the women.
Yeah.
You know.
My dad used
can
to
see
come
it.
and just ask my mom, "Pani boil kiya na?"
Yeah.
That's it.
You see that
Done.
there
That's
are
what I'm
there
saying.
are
Yeah, there are
similarities in
differences. Yeah.
But ये भी सत्य नहीं है कि हमारी जनरेशन के सारे मर्द ऐसा कर रहे हैं. आज भी एग्जिस्ट करता है, इसलिए हमारा शो एग्जिस्ट करता है.
Exactly, yeah.
Exactly.
Anybody can chip in for the green flags in your life.
I think it's very, very important to have, especially for working women, to have the support of the family in general. But yes, a father, a husband, a brother, I think these are very, very important factors, and people whose validation also you ask for and want and crave for maybe, you know, sometimes. And I think I've been very fortunate to have those men in my life for sure. My father's amazing. I mean, he's always encouraged me to do everything that I've done along the way, and he's never said, "Are you crazy? Why are you doing this?" Because I've done so many different things. He's like, "Yeah, sure, try," you know, and I think I'm blessed.
My green flag is my son.
Yeah.
Can I please put that in? Because he's brought up by me.
Super.
We love that.
Of course, no. Mic drop.
I think मैं भी बहुत खुशकिस्मत हूँ कि I've been, you know, surrounded by lots of green flags. मेरे husband, मेरे father, my father-in-law, मेरे सारी जो friends हैं, close friends, उनके husbands. क्योंकि मैं जो अपने आसपास देखती हूँ, it is amazing. There's so much support from their husbands in whatever they decide to do, and I hope and pray there are more men like this.
But the in-laws bit I can quickly segue into.
Yeah.
How? क्योंकि वो in-laws वाला ना कई बार अड़ंगा आता है कईयों की जिंदगी में. तो वो किस प्रकार से आपके लिए green flag बने?
मेरे लिए मेरे father-in-law is a complete green flag because मेरी mother-in-law she worked till she passed away, which was
nice.
82.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and even with his daughters-in-law, both Deanne and me, और he was so excited. वो हमेशा बहुत खुश होते थे if we were working, if we were trying to do something. In fact, he never wanted us just sitting at home and looking after the kids. And I wish he was alive to see how Ananya was doing because he would have been very, very thrilled.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
And how well you're doing.
Oh yes. Thank you.
I mean, my husband for sure. I'm here thanks to my husband because he's the most chilled out, supportive, and one of the main reasons why I'm doing this show is because of Sameer. Kyunki Sameer ne kaha ki, you know, there's nothing to think about doing a reality show. You know, it's the best thing for you. It's like a new beginning for you. So I think I owe it to him and of course Karan. And yes, my friends over here, Seema, Mahib, Bhavna, you know, they, I mean, it wouldn't be possible because we uplift each other, we encourage each other, we support each other. And I think, you know, we're talking about men, I think it's women who also have to uplift women.
Yes.
Yes.
Here, here.
You know,
Here.
more than men. We talk about men. Sometimes we see women pulling other women down, which I feel is very unfortunate. Be it age, be it looks,
Yeah.
be it whatever. But I have a question for you. I've just realized that your cup says, "What's your cup size?"
That's my partner Clovia. Clovia की तरफ से हम ये जनरली रखते हैं, but again अगर हम ब्रा की सेक्सुअलाइजेशन को बाहर कर दे तो then this is just like any other
Like,
question.
what's your wrist size for a
Yeah,
watch?
I don't know. Yeah.
What's your cup
Large.
size?
Yeah.
What's your shoe size?
What your shoe size? Yeah, I think it's one
Yeah.
of those things where, but it's tricky. As a man, I can never ask that question. But with my partner, if I go, then that's between me and her. So we have a special segment, super supported and super powered by Clovia. So we ask questions that are a little, मतलब हम बाकी इंटरव्यूज में ये क्वेश्चन नहीं देखेंगे, but simple things like कितना फिक्र और कहाँ से ये ठूसी गई है बात की लाइंस एक प्रकार की वो हैं, या कमेंट्स ऑन बोटॉक्स या फिलर्स या सर्जरीज पे जो इतनी बात होती है, उन सब के बारे में जो आपको बताना है अभी बतलाइए.
नहीं, old has become an abuse.
या
Killer.
सीजन 1 में मैंने क्रिएटिव्स को कहा कि लिसन, आई थिंक नाउ आई एम फेसिंग द कैमरा आफ्टर 25 years, मैं थोड़ा फिलर्स बोटॉक्स मैं करा रही हूँ. डू यू वांट टू कैप्चर इट ऑन कैमरा? एंड देयर वाज अ सेगमेंट ऑफ वुमेन दैट सेड, वाओ, it's brave of you to come in front of, you know, the world and say that you're actually doing it. And there was a segment who was saying, Botox auntie. Botox auntie, yeah. I mean, you know, you can't keep everyone happy. I did it for myself. Am I saying you should go out there and do it? No. You do it for yourself
You know,
to look
social
good.
media actually has become so vitriolic. If you've noticed that, you know, when you make that one mistake, everyone is on top of you. Okay, I mean, like blaming you or calling you names
Judging
or judging you.
Coming back to what Neelam is saying, there is a section. It's so important from this show. I think the crux of the show is about how women uplift other women. We don't pull each other down. And the thing is, there's a whole section of women, like even if you're doing Botox or fillers, there's so many women who hide it. Why are you hiding it? Honestly, if I'm doing something that is benefiting me, I should share
your
it
face.
with my friends. I should share it with the other women out there. It's hiding and doing things, ye chup ke, why?
हाँ, मतलब खुद के घर कांच के तो दूसरों पे मत पत्थर फेंको.
Yeah, I'm so glad that we have got this show where we are middle-aged women and we are owning it. Listen, it's okay.
Yes.
You know, we are going to go through that menopause. Our bodies are going to change. Just own it and applaud yourself.
Celebrate yourselves, because being a woman is a gift that just keeps giving.
Men wouldn't be
ha-
there if it
men-
wasn't for us.
Yeah.
Women
We are the
producing
creators.
it all.
Exactly. I think also, you know, when it comes to, oh, you should not wear this and this is not age appropriate and all, I'm like, I can carry it off. And you don't have the right to tell me what to wear. So I'm glad my husband doesn't have a problem. He doesn't stop me. I can do what I like. I can wear what I wear, and he respects me, and I respect him. So
That's super.
that respect is so important also.
जब बड़े हो रहे थे आप लोग lingerie shopping मुंबई वर्सेस दिल्ली में आपने कभी देखा differences होते हुए? Were you all going by yourselves and just a millennial man asking this question? I see Neelam go like, oh my god, what is that question? So if you all are open to sharing and however your experiences were, you've also had daughters or nieces जिनके साथ आप ये एक्सपीरियंस कर चुके हो, तो कितना डिफरेंस देखा आपने अपने जमाने में और अपने टाइम पे और अब?
Abhi, actually, now you've got online shopping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so much better, right?
Yeah, online shopping is
Convenience.
like amazing.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Strangely, मैंने देखा है lingerie shops में usually at least जो
काफी मर्द
छोटी
होते हैं.
Yeah, there are men who
Cozy
are
बेचते
selling
हुए.
the lingerie.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
most of the shops, and
Yeah.
that's why sometimes I think women get a little more awkward.
Yeah.
They are not awkward; they are just removing it and showing it like it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
T-shirts or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Elastic
But
देखो आप.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I've seen
Yeah.
that.
पर मुझे ये याद है कि मैं बॉम्बे में पहले रहती थी एंड मेरे घर के बिल्कुल सामने बीच था एंड आई यूज्ड टू वेयर दीज टाइनीएस्ट ऑफ शॉर्ट्स इन अ टी शर्ट एंड गो फॉर अ रन ऑन द बीच एंड देन आई मूव टू दिल्ली एंड आई रिमेंबर आई वेंट फॉर अ रन ऑन फर्स्ट डे एंड गॉड I was like, my God, you cannot do this here. And that is a big difference I found between
Yeah.
Bombay and Delhi.
Yeah.
I mean, lingerie, like I said, it's more like online. So I don't have that thing. But yes, like Bhavna said, I feel that that's a difference. Bombay, it's a lot safer. I feel men. I mean, you can take an auto rickshaw in the middle of the night,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
they'll be
Yeah.
like, they'll drop you right in to your house, and they've got that thing.
In Delhi, you got to be completely psychotic to even have the
Yeah.
thought of taking an auto rickshaw in the
At
middle of the
2 a.m.
night.
And you know, it's not generalizing, but they say, well, it's in the eye. You know, somehow. I don't know
Yeah.
what it is.
Yeah, the look.
Yeah.
The look. You just
the
feel awkward and you just feel very conscious. It's that.
But
Women
see,
don't,
not
huh?
everyone
Not all the
has
Not
that
all, I said
sometimes.
not generalizing.
Yeah.
Of course.
But not
yeah.
everyone, has a car or a driver
Yeah.
in Delhi, and they have to use public transport,
Yeah.
So obviously it's not the safest place, but then their brothers chip in, their, their
Yeah, live
one of the
location.
boys chip in, so
क्या
which is a good
क्या क्या तकनीकें अपनाई हैं आपने दिल्ली में, like a fake call to somebody, if you've ever had one of these experiences, if at all?
Yeah,
But
I have done
just
that.
to pretend you're on
I
the
have,
phone.
I have
To
done
be
that.
safer.
I have done
Yeah.
that.
yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
But Gen Z, आप लोग अगर नोटिस करेंगे, they were just bralettes in go out. I remember a video going viral where Alana is being questioned by her dad saying, आप यही पहन के जा रही हैं बाहर? इस पे टी-शर्ट आने वाली थी कहीं? And what does that make you feel? You all also talk to young women and they are going full like bindas. What do you all have to say about that?
I feel it really looks good on them.
It
I
does.
felt Alana looked really beautiful. She's a beautiful child. And I think if she's wearing it so beautifully, why not? Like, that's
Yeah.
my opinion.
I
But
think वो
her
चिक्की का
dad
sense
can-
of humor है.
हाँ.
वो
Yeah.
चिक्की का sense of humor है because she is wearing that and sitting in front of her dad or going out is because she was always allowed to.
Yeah. But the other side of the coin also, the boys. क्या हम लड़कों को सिखा रहे हैं इसके बारे में? Because we were also fed the patriarchy ना, जैसे आप लोग हैं. तो आप लोग अपने बच्चों में लड़कों को क्या सीखे दे रहे हैं?
That is exactly my point. It's actually we are mothers, all of us. I mean, most of us have boys here also. It's how you raise your boys and what an example you set to them and what tone you set at home. It's tomorrow if my son or my son brings home his girlfriend, it's how I treat her girlfriend. He's going to watch that.
Yeah.
So I think that's it's you give respect, and that's I think it's a matter of commanding that respect, and it's a matter of teaching your boys that respect right from an early age. And there's no like stop crying, you're like a little girl. That's
It's
such
okay
a
to
wrong thing to
cry.
say. Every time you say stop crying like a little girl, that's not cool. All kids also, like when they're younger, you try, you experiment, you put on your heels, you put on your mom's lipstick. Arey, don't let him do that, he's a boy. Honestly, these are things that have been fed,
है ना?
which I think we have to there's a lot of unlearning and undoing to do.
I am teaching my own daughter also that it was very clear to me that when she used to go out with her friends in school, I said, why is the boy paying for you? No, that's not acceptable to me. You're going to do equal. It's all going to be Dutch. why should we put a burden on the boy also?
Yeah.
So it was very important that it's not just the boys, it's even our daughters, that we just tell them that, listen, let's just be equal, let's just try and, and of course my son, though, I'm very, very, very particular about, not to objectify women. It's just been ingrained. It's how we are, me and Sanjay, as parents. So they see our equal relationship and they ingrain it themselves, and that's very important.
Generally भी I think कहीं ना कहीं पॉप कल्चर एंड इंक्लूडिंग बॉलीवुड ने ब्रा को सेक्सुअलाइज किया है ना, इस कारण भी तो प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं.
Yes. Why does the boy have to pay?
Yeah.
For example.
Correct.
It's understood? Is he your husband? Is he your boyfriend? Why? It's just a small thing. It's an example that came on my head. But I was very particular about these things.
100%. Speaking of the kids, आप लोगों के शो में मैंने देखा था कि you all have said Shahrukh would take care of the kids when you all would go out. मेरे हिसाब से वो भी बहुत बड़ा green flagism है.
Of course. That's what I said. My friends, their husbands, my friends' husbands. That's what we said, because I've seen all of them.
Yeah.
Be amazing.
Also, when you go out so many times and you ask like, where's your wife, and they'll say, oh, our daughter's not well, so she's at home with her daughter. So why the hell are you not home with your daughter? You know what I mean? So how often do you, in our society, I feel there are so many mixed messages because of all this generational values and conditioning that we've had from our grandparents. I come from a very progressive Bengali family, so there was none of all this. But, this whole thing of women going out of the house to work, for example, the financial bit, what's the need for you to work? That whole thought process, which thankfully today has changed, that you don't have to go out there to work.
Slightly it's changing. Not everywhere.
Not necessarily to earn that money, but to empower yourself. Even with children, they are so confused today. What is right? What is wrong? It's a lot happening around them all the time. And social media, there's too much exposure. There's too much out there.
Overload of information.
Overload of information, overload of opinions.
जो हमारी पहले बात हो
on
रही थी
another
about
level.
just faces and lines. The playing to the gallery वाली बात हम बड़ी बार लाते हैं.
That is
show
just
पे.
A lot of
that
it is all
horrible.
projection. Like if you see everything, like now Diwali is going to start, so pre-Diwali everybody's dressed up. I just want to shoot myself because I'm really stop, because I honestly don't want to wear those clothes which are already being thrown on Instagram. So
I think how you look today is so important, and this whole the young girls are under so much pressure, to look a certain way. And that's why women at our age, and I'm actually older than all the girls here, it actually amuses me because I'm very proud of the way I look at my age. But the fact is that this has become such it's like an abuse to call someone old. I find it so funny.
Initially, it was body shaming. Like, in India, especially when you go to someone's house, the only thing they say, pehli cheez, you gained weight, you put on weight, you lost weight. That you don't have anything else to say or what?
There was a time when I put on weight after I had my son. I had put on 30 kgs. So everybody said, oh, she's become so fat. Then I lost.
Biology?
Yeah, I had put on 30 kgs, and that's a lot of weight. After that, I lost my weight. Oh, now you become too thin. I said, but you just told me 10 months ago that I've become very fat. People, if you are beautiful, they'll say she's too beautiful, she doesn't do anything. And if you're not good looking, she's so ugly, bichari.
And when it comes to anti-aging and ageism, why are we only attaching the women to it? Can we make some products for the men also? They are also aging very badly. I feel we age better.
Men who age, it's just like, wow.
Yeah, it's accepted.
He's hot.
Yeah.
I love these questions.
Super. It was great.
They're addressing a lot of different things.
And it's important, to talk about it.
It's super important. It is super important. It's very little said about all these things.
For the larger questions that I had, मेरे को एक बहुत कोर एड्रेस करना है कि लोगों को ये क्यों लगता है कि प्रिविलेज के साथ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होती. मतलब आपकी जिंदगियों में प्रिविलेज दिखती है, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है क्या?
Privilege and problems. I mean, just because somebody doesn't talk about it, problems can be anything, na? Any chota mota insecurity. Insecurities are never big or small. Insecurity is an insecurity.
If we are talking about women, women from all walks of life or any walk of life have the same. All of us will have marriage issues. All of us will have children issues. All of us will be stressed about our kids. All of us are stressed about how we look. And I think that's the common factor in women. We are multifaceted. We are multitaskers. From whichever walk of life you come, your problems are very grave to you. My problems are grave to me.
No, I think, this whole, again, I'm going to go back because there was a line saying privilege versus privilege. It's really funny when you read the comments, there's so much of hatred for anyone who's is successful or doing good in life in general. No one, we spoke about this earlier, no one seems to be happy like, oh wow, and so much hard work goes into it. No one is looking at how hard you work, but they are only hating you for how successful you are.
Yeah.
And this whole crab mentality that we have, which is unfathomable, and it's not just in India, I guess it's everywhere all over the world.
Which is what we show, and I think the basis of our show is you don't climb over each other to get to the top. We hold hands and go to the top.
मुझे तो एक और चीज से पता नहीं प्रॉब्लम कहूंगा या सोच रहा था ऐसा कि आपके सेपरेशन का भी बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बनाया गया है. क्या वो शो में ही ऐसा है या जनरली भी है? आपकी जिंदगी में उतना महत्व है उस बात का भी?
मतलब I didn't lie about anything on the show. I may not have gone into all the gory little details, but whatever I said, I was true to myself and I was honest about it. It is a part of my life and I am on a reality show, and if I did not address it, then I'd be a liar.
परफेक्ट.
Yeah.
बस जितनी चेंजिंग फेजेस भी हैं आप लोगों की लाइफ में, उनके बारे में, जैसे मेनोपॉज पे हम एक हल्का सा लाइन लेके हट गए, बट जनरली कितना थॉट होता है, whoever's been through it should tell us anything if at all you can share, because we have no idea.
So I would like to take this one because three of them used to make fun of me in season 2, and I remember saying it in your house, that scene. I said, I'm not there yet, but when I get there, I will take the mic and I was my bad. I kind of trivialized the whole issue till I hit that stage, and then I really want to take a gun and blow my own brains out.
I think menopause is something most of us are going through right now. I won't
And
speak for every.
perimenopause starts very early
Very
also.
early, yeah.
Which it's a
Yeah,
misconception
yeah.
that it's an
Yeah.
age thing.
But
Yeah.
Women
age
go
में
through it
मुझे
at
समझ
40,
नहीं.
they can go 45.
Later.
No, menopause
And sometimes
is-
it takes many
know
years
this
for you to even actually go through the whole process.
And the age is coming down now. Women are actually
Yeah.
hitting it in their 30s.
Even
Yeah.
when you get your
So
periods, it's
it's-
coming down.
Women are
Yeah.
hitting perimenopause in their 30s.
Like they say, you go through certain hormones during pregnancy or during your puberty or now menopause. So that is something I feel sometimes, even though I've had all the green flags in my life, but that is something sometimes it's not understandable by them. Like with Chunky, I'll give my own example. Like he doesn't understand sometimes when I don't feel like doing anything. Okay, and it's just a mood swing which I'm going through. So
it's very different.
yeah, it's very different. It's
very
not
hard.
like they're not trying to understand. So it's not like
Yeah.
I think they're trying their best to understand, but it is such a mind and body thing that a woman goes through that it is just too difficult for them
You
to
have
understand.
no control.
No, men
you
will
have
never
no control
understand.
over your
Like,
own
yeah.
emotions. So how can
Yeah, you don't have
Like
You don't have
sometimes
control.
I'm
How
so
can you expect the
rude
other
and I
people?
don't even realize I'm rude. It happens, and
Yeah.
the second later I'm like, why did I even react like that? And genuinely, it wasn't in my control. There's nothing I could do.
No, it is I think one of those things जहाँ पर हमने realize किया कि if men just listen, जो हम शायद नहीं करते हैं, हम solution दे
But men
पे
are
पहुंच जाते हैं.
listening.
I think so.
They are.
But thank you for saying that. I think कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग वो डेवलप कर रहे हैं जहाँ पर हम ऐसे बन सकते हैं. But happy to do this with every one of you individually. तो मैं हमारी टीम आपको हाउंड करेगी. आप लोगों को कैसा लगा बताओ.
Amazing.
Very good.
And the
Interesting.
concept is amazing. We need more shows like yours.
Thank you.
This
Yeah.
one, this
Yeah.
women one.
It's very
Yeah.
relevant.
You
You have a lot of empathy.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can see we are all feeling very heard.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Thank you for this.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
So
Thank you
आप
for
लोग जो
standing
सीखते हैं प्लीज हमें कमेंट्स में बताना. थैंक्स टू पार्टनर्स लाइक क्लोविया, हमें बहुत सपोर्ट मिलता है, इसलिए हम आपके लिए हैम्पर्स लेके आए हैं.
Thank
Oh,
you.
how so
Here you
thank
go.
you. Pass it on.
Yes, you can. Lovely, lovely.
How sweet.
We have these cups to be signed by everybody. तो वो quickly कर लो आप लोग. जब आप लोग साइन करो तो आप लोग मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकते हो. एक अनलर्निंग एज अ वुमन दैट you've
Unlearning.
unlearning that you've had to get into yourselves, because
I think they've
I'm
been-
sure the patriarchy existed in each one of us.
Yes.
Yeah. I think one of the biggest lessons I think I've learned, and I had to unlearn patterns of fear. A lot of your actions, reactions, decisions stem out of fear, and I think that was something for me I had to unlearn.
Yeah.
What I had to unlearn was when I was growing up, I think I had very black and white ideas of how women should be and feminism and all that. There's always shades of grey.
Sab grey.
And I get women a lot more as I'm aging.
Yeah.
So I've definitely unlearned that, and I'm a lot more accepting and trying to understand.
I think in my case, the men need to unlearn something because my father, we were three
किलो के
girls.
हिसाब से आएगा unlearn.
No, he was like, he had 3 daughters, my mom and my grandmother. We didn't have a grandfather. And now Chunky's with 2 daughters. So there's just women and women and women. Now finally he's got 2 dogs, male dogs for company.
I think वो भी घर का काफी चीजें चेंज करती है, वो
Yes.
समझ भी
Yes.
काफी
yes.
बताता है. But thank you so much for being on
Thank
the
you.
video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice talking to
Nice
you.
talking.
Yeah.
So much
Beautiful
kindness and love
conversation.
showered at me. I'm grateful.
No, really we enjoyed
Yeah.
it.
So
Enjoyed
much
this.
confidence
Thank
I
you.
get.
Thank
आप लोगों को किस किस के साथ इंडिविजुअल एपिसोड्स चाहिए प्लीज कमेंट में बता दो. 1000 नाम लिखने होंगे. इतनी बार नाम लिखने होंगे और वो गुड कमेंट थ्रेड चालू करना, देखते हैं कितना
हाँ,
प्यार
please,
मिलता
good
है.
comment threads
Yeah.
करो अभी.
Thank you.
Only good comments.
Thank you. Bye. This is
Thank you.
Instagram.
Thank you.